how to set ringtone for individual contact on a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the phone app. Now make sure select the contact tab at the bottom right. Here you can see keypad option or recent option on contact tab. Tap the contact tabs and select the contact. Now tap on a more option or a three dots, tap on it. Here you can see change ringtone oblique vibration option, tap on it. Now select the ringtone. Now allow phone to access music and audio on your device. Now you can see list of available custom ringtone, Samsung brand sound, Galaxy. You can see different category sound, calm. If you want to select the default, just select the tone you want to set. If you want to use custom tone or downloaded song, tap on a plus icon from the top right. Now you can see track, albums, artist and folders. In folder, select the audio file from your device, select it and tap on a done from the top right. Now we can see add this ring to your custom list. Just select it to set the custom ringtone for that specific contact on a Samsung Z Fold 6. That's it. Like it, share it.